Hello, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. I hope you're liking the regular uploads. By regular I mean once a week, but I'm starting off, okay, because YouTube videos take so much longer to edit and I am editing my own videos alongside a corporate job, so give me some grace, okay? I was actually thinking this might be a good time for me to start a video basically how much money I spend living in Dubai for a week. I'm not talking about rent and electricity and things like that, but let's just talk about the cost of living or thriving. So come along. Okay, so let's start by talking about today. I made my own coffee at home, so I did not spend any money. I came to office. I generally don't eat breakfast. I'm not like a breakfast eater, so I didn't eat anything for breakfast. No money spent there. Then we went to the Javza food court where I got like a chicken curry meal which was for 15 dirhams. I got a couple of Coke Zero bottles which we shared. So if I just consider one bottle to myself, that was 4 dirhams. And then I also wanted to pick up a matcha. I've actually not had matcha in so long. So I picked up a iced matcha latte from Starbucks. It was the grande size with extra matcha powder because otherwise they make it too milky. That cost me 30 dirhams. So that was definitely pricey. Sabah hates matcha, but I want her to try it. Give it a chance, Sabah. Just give one chance. Trust me. Trust me. Please, one sip. No way. This is all exaggeration.
I'm not a big fan. But okay. Not bad.
Okay. Oh yeah.
It is gas. Meaty gas.
सही है ना?
Yeah.
Only because you're sick? Okay. उसके बाद मैंने पूरा दिन मतलब in office I didn't really spend anything at all. Now I'm heading home. आज बन रहा है pasta salad. This is pasta and corn. Chicken cooked, cherry tomatoes, lettuce, mozzarella, and pesto. We have 10 meal prep dabbas done, 5 mine, 5 Tarun's. We have 150 grams of chicken in each one. I have to figure out how much pasta and all is there. So on MyFitnessPal, I'm going to create a recipe and then divide by 10 portions, and we're going to find out the exact macros for this. So 2 of these are going to go into the fridge, the rest are going to go into the freezer. So we are set for the next 5 days. See, this is the thing about videographers. They'll do anything for the perfect shot. He just said to me, let me be creative, and went and placed his camera on a dustbin. We have been shooting in the heat and it is, what is the temperature? Pata nahi. But humidity is probably like really, really high. I don't even sweat, you know, and I'm drenched. Hi guys, we're back home, took a shower, did my skincare. Anyway, I'll catch you in the morning. Bye. Hi, thank you. Hello, good morning. I'm just getting ready for work and the first thing I have spent money on is a moon order, and that is because I had to order some pimple patches. My skin's been breaking out lately, so I got 2 of these. I like to always have an extra one handy. This is the Some by Me clear spot patch, which I personally feel helps quite a bit, and along with that I got some tomatoes because khatam ho gaye the. Now this whole thing cost me 37 dirhams. Now I'm just going to put this on, quickly finish my makeup and leave for work. It's about 1:30 right now and I'm going to go pick up a quick lunch. I had my chicken pasta salad, which was quite filling in the moment, but I know I'm gonna get hungry in just a little bit of time. Plus, I can just catch up with Tarun. He has a little bit of time, so we might just grab a snack together. Also, other than this, even though yesterday after coming back from badminton, we decided that it's a little bit tiring to go over the weekdays. We've booked another session today for 1.5 hours. So I did spend there. Now the main reason we decided that we want to go and not cancel it is because today is the second semi-final, right, of the FIFA World Cup. So just figured, ठीक है अभी एक और दिन निकाल ही देते हैं. It'll be fun to watch the match right after. So looking forward to it. It's, just a little more money spent today than I had decided.
Bye.
So I brought banana bread to office and Atul is gonna rate it.
Ooh, looks yum.
Yeah? That good? It has no butter, no oil, very little sugar.
But hot.
Hot? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a problem. But nice, right? And it's oat flour, no baking soda.
Nice. And healthier.
Can you rate it?
I would say 9.5.
That's high.
It's hot.
Is that hot or?
It's really hot.
You see how it's molten?
Yeah, that molten thing, no?
That's hot.
Ooh, yeah, it's giving me that nostalgic feeling. You know why?
And this I made in the air fryer. Okay, let's talk about expenses. I just paid 40 dirhams to customs because of this order I placed, right, with Honor Active. My Whoop is here. Okay, I just put my Whoop on. It's got the charger on it, but it looks so nice. I just have to get used to having something on my wrist again. I'm also going to try to put it on my right hand more than my left because left pay I keep on changing like bracelets, watches and things like that. Today is going to be the first logging day. With Whoop, it generally takes like 7 days to understand your routine. I'm going to change. It's almost 8 o'clock. We need to leave, go play badminton. So see you at Danube Sports Hall. So my Whoop has already tracked my screen to be 10.9. We have played for 1 hour. Hello, it is Thursday and I have spent no money since morning. I got my coffee from home. I ate my pasta salad as planned. So this is day 3 of me eating my meal prep consistently. So super happy about that. Today is going to be a long day at office. We're actually working on this event that's happening in Oman next month. So the full team is going to be here probably till 8 or 9 p.m. Let's see. It is 8 o'clock and finally leaving the office. It's been a long day, but the event that we have in August is pretty important. So it's fun. Like, as hectic and as stressful as event planning is, it's also really fun to sort of have a project to work on with your colleagues because a lot of my work involves me working alone or with my videographer. So it's nice to have a bigger team this time. Okay, I am back home and I've got 2 packages to open. Okay, by the way, look at my Whoop. Kitna mast dikh raha hai. Anyway, this is the first package. This is actually not something that I have ordered. It has been sent to me by a very dear friend by the name of Kanika Nandurikar, who is my neighbor in India, and she has a brand called Nikan, which is expanding into the UAE. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you already know how much I love their baking mix. They have this gluten-free baking mix that I have used so much, repurchased so many times. Basically, all of their products are great, and they've sent us some new stuff which I cannot wait to try out. This is their millet kurumura puffs. so nice. The Nikan Super Seeds and Nuts bars. Oh, I've tried this before. The packaging is different from when I tried it. I think back then it was just a sample. This is super good. The classic sesame crackers. This we've had before. Nikan Sprouted Mix Lentils Flour. इसके दो से बना सकते हैं. Multi 5 millets flour, which is ragi, bajra, jowar, foxtail and kuttu. This you can have. This is for rotis, I think. अच्छा है, कल से इसकी रोटी.
रागी बाजरा कुट्टू का आटा.
Very nice. It will be like भाकरी.
कुट्टू के पूरियां बन सकती हैं.
What is the point? इतना हेल्दी फ्लावर को तल के पूरी बना रहा है. मिलेट कुरमुरा पफ्स अगेन. वो पहले वाला कौन सा था? This is बॉम्बे चटपटा भेल and this is spicy चटका. So this I will take, this Tarun will take, क्योंकि तीखा मैं नहीं खा सकती हूँ. But so cute. Look at the packaging. 100% baked millet crackers, रागी मसाला. ये भी शायद मैंने टेस्ट किया है पहले. And of course she had to send me some protein crackers. This is in the flavor Moringa Chia. And this has come from another brand, I think. This is the Coco Rush Pure Coconut Water. ये मैं अभी टेस्ट करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे प्यास लग रही है. It doesn't have that weird taste.
वो जो प्लास्टिक थैलेन वाला आता है.
I never drink the coconut water that's packaged here. No, but इधर का पैकेज नहीं अच्छा होता है.
मैं बेचती हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छा.
Pure tender coconut water from Coco Rush. I genuinely recommend this. Like try करोगे तो ही पता चलेगा. Okay, the next package I'm opening is from Honor Active. Super excited about this. बहुत टाइम के बाद actually मैंने Honor से कुछ मंगाया है. Also, the only reason I placed this order was because Honor Active पे भी sale चल रहा था and their shipping costs have gone down from $40 to $19. This is my classic oversized lightweight long sleeve top. This one is just going to be like super simple and I got it in like a plum brown color. Very nice. Oh, and the logo is embroidered. It's not stuck on. Air Move lined short. These shorts I actually already own in the grey color. This is what I often wear to badminton. It's actually a running short. It has a lining inside. So, you know, you do feel very comfortable. Then I got the same thing. Yes, I got the same thing in blue. So this is the same pair of shorts in this gorgeous blue color. The next piece, oh, this is actually one that I'm most excited for. This is my first ever Honor Active Scott. पता नहीं मुझे कैसे लगेगा to play in it, but I can also wear it out and about, which is why I'm looking forward. This is the Soft Motion Scott. And I think this is the last item. This is the only sports bra that I got. This is the Easy Lift Ultra Minimal Bralette in Racing Green. This is what it looks like. Very dainty, very delicate. And the back is my favorite part. It's like this. So when it sits on your back, it kind of tugs up at this a little bit and it just looks so beautiful. Yeah, that's about it for my little haul of the day. And now I'm gonna have dinner and see you in a bit. Bye. I look so tired today because I stayed up till like 1 getting the last vlog out. So if you haven't watched that yet, please go ahead and check it out. I'm trying to do a weekly vlog here on YouTube. So I woke up slightly delayed and didn't have time to put myself together properly. Nevertheless, in terms of spending money, I am definitely going to spend some today because I forgot to carry my meal prep. It was in the freezer. I forgot to put it in the fridge last night, so I don't have lunch. For now, I'm starting my day with coffee, which cost me a total of 0 dirhams because office में चाय कॉफी फ्री में मिलती है.
जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला.
चाबी का ताला.
ये
सर ताबी.
जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला. जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला.
Tarun is also a native Hindi speaker, so.
जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला. 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 जिस ताले की चाबी उस चाबी का ताला.
Nice, okay, pass. डैनी बोल, तू भी हिंदी बोलता है ना घर पे, पता है बट. हाँ? वाह हिंदी.
जिस चाबी के ताला.
भाव नहीं दूंगी मैं इतना इसको.
कच्चे कद्दू के कटे टुकड़े, कटे टुकड़ों के कच्चे कद्दू, कच्चे कुत्तों के कटे टुकड़े, कटे टुकड़ों के कच्चे कद्दू, कच्चे कुत्तों के कुत्ते की निकल रहा है मुझे से, बेचारे कुत्तों को वो भी कच्चे.
You know how to tell Dubai is safe? वो देख. बस sorry we are closed. And उसको पता है कि कोई नहीं छीनने वाला.
लिटरली यहाँ से हाथ मार के निकालता हूँ.
भाई तू अंदर भी जा सकता है. We are done with our badminton game. Played for about 1.5 hours and it was pretty intense. Like I have my Whoop on, so now it's telling me strain and all. Strain was 15.5, burnt 647 calories. So I'm very happy with that. Now we've got Al Ustadi. इसका टोटल मैं बताती हूँ कितना हुआ. The total for this is 144. जिसमें we've got a lot of food. 4 of us are going to eat this. So total per person is this much. So Shaz and I are on our way to spend some money. The boys literally said they're not coming with us. So we said तुम लोग खाओ घर का खाना. We are going to eat some good food.
Plenty of food yesterday. as
Yeah.
well.
So where are we going?
We're going to Sanwan Noodles, which is basically what, handful noodles?
Yes. Last time we went there, we loved the byang byang noodles. So we're going to get that. We're going to get some baos. And we're going to try not to waste any food. We also got the chili cucumber salad because it's really, really good. I would say this is better than the Din Tai Fung. Oh, you haven't had?
And I'm not even a cucumber person. I don't eat vegetables. And this is fine.
Yeah. So that's saying a lot.
I don't want to be wearing makeup all the time.
I get it. Look at me right now. There's no makeup.
Bad.
Gosh. I need all of you to comment and tell Shaz to start her own day in the life because she's been wanting to do it, but she's stressed because she feels like what?
So self-conscious, and I feel fat and ugly at the same time.
Everyone comment Shaz is not fat
And ugly.
and ugly. See, this is apparently like I like this side of my face. I really don't like this side of my face. See, can you see? You can see more double chin in this angle than this angle. It's weird.
I think you're just
But I'm waiting for like my jawline to come.
when
Us after eating
After
crap.
having noodles and whatnot.
Yeah, and
But
matcha
now-
also we need to have sugar. It's not like we can drink the
Yeah.
bitter matcha.
In terms of sugar, yeah. I
Yeah.
try to cut here and there.
Because sugar, the thing is, as you start cutting it, you realize you need it less. But the more you have, the more you want it.
Now I'm like craving kunafa.
Don't say this in front of Tarun. He'll just like buy it.
Oh.
He'll use you as an excuse so he can eat kunafa.
But you-
Anyway, now we're heading home. I keep looking here, but the camera is here. And then heading to dance class. You guys are going to vlog in my absence, okay? It's going to be Shaz Cam. This is your assignment to get content creation started.
I'm just gonna use the front camera. Back
That's okay.
camera,
Oh, fine.
without me.
No, you have you literally want to make
I can't.
Content
I
with
feel
your
like
face.
I'm trying to get into like faceless content,
okay. Why?
but still I'm not able to do it. I need to get into that routine of like picking up my phone. Hey
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing you. I'm just like, how do you do it? How does she do it?
The only secret is to not give a shit.
I give so many shits.
This is the problem. Now I feel like everyone creates content, right? It's not like like oh my god, look at her, she's taking out her phone. Everyone shoots.
Yeah, it's not cringy anymore.
No, it's very normalized. Okay, so I am off for dance class now. I've paid for this in advance for 2 classes. I think I paid 220. I think it's about 110 dirhams per class. And the other thing I spent money on today is a gift for my colleague's daughter who's just turned 5. I spent 60 dirhams on this plushie that I want to gift her, where I'm going right after dance class. This is my OOTD, the same Gymshark shirt I've been wearing for like years. And I'm wearing these like super flowy leopard print pants. I'm almost here. I've actually never driven to Burjuman before. This is my first time and this area can get so crowded. Like, मैं पहुंच गई हूँ, it's 4:53 but I'm stuck in a little bit of traffic. Hopefully I can make it in time for my class. Today I'm actually going for Hips Don't Lie by Gaurav Thukral. So it's like a Hips Don't Lie x Patola remix, which has been going quite viral on Instagram. I've wanted to learn it for a while, so super excited for that.
She's ready to attack me back. I heard her by mistake. I'm saying sorry. She's like, मैं तेरे को बताती हूँ रुक.
Dua. Get well soon. Thoughts and prayers.
Guys, they just turned off the lights inside and Karan is still inside taking a shower. I can't believe it. They just shut the lights. The main lights are off. The update is that Karan is alive. What's that? We are getting some pizza. What? Give them your. Good afternoon. It is pretty late on a Sunday. I just had some Chinese food and now I'm leaving for my next dance workshop. This is my outfit of the day. I'm going for Marjani. वहाँ पे कोई खर्चा होने नहीं वाला है because I've already paid for this class, which was the same as yesterday's class, about 110 dirhams. Okay, मैं तो पहुँच गई हूँ. Now the thing is, I know this choreography to some extent, so the reason we are attending this class is mainly to improve my technique and get it properly. But I'm feeling so fatigued that कल का strain थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. But it's gonna be a fun class. I'm gonna be meeting some friends. So come, let's go dance to Marjani. I am picking up some stuff from Chemist Warehouse. This क्योंकि खत्म हो गया है. What a workshop. It was amazing and I picked up a Coke Zero because I really need to sip on something cold. I'm driving back to Aditya's place and then I have to leave in about not even 1 hour to go for a work event. So I have exactly 30 minutes once I reach his house to freshen up, and then we're going to watch the finals at my boss's house. It's a work event, but it's going to be fun. I really hope it's as exciting as last night's match. I don't know how many of you saw the third place match between France and England. Let me know in the comments if you did, because that was brilliant. Also, can I just say, I mean this in the most genuine way possible. I think Gaurav is the best teacher I have ever come across in terms of just how fun he is and how easy he makes complicated choreographies. Like, I cannot even tell you, he is such a joy to experience as a teacher in class. You have to go for his classes. This is what I love about the dance world. Like, every time I experience a new workshop, I am exposed to this like different level of joy, you know, and it really challenges me as a dancer and it brings me back to the one true love that I have. We have jerseys. I'm supporting Spain, Argentina. Let's see who wins.
As per rumors, on the 80th minute, Argentina will score a goal.
80th minute. So 0-0 से 1-0 होगा. And then will Spain come back?
Argentina wins.
Will Spain come back? No.
Argentina wins.
पक्का. Fixed है.
Fix.
पक्का. Guys, हम सब ऐसे बैठे हैं. हम लोग गेस्ट के लिए कुछ रख रहे हैं. निदिश को देखो. निदिश, what's in your hand?
World class chocolate from Baskin.
0 calories.
And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm finally home Sunday night. It's actually 3 a.m. almost, so I need to quickly take a shower, sleep. But This is everything I spent in total this week. Now, of course, every week looks different, but I just wanted to pick up the camera and record this week to show you a random week in my life. And it's possible that next week I could spend more or less, but this is, you know, pretty much what life looks like on average. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.